As Yajuj and Majuj continue to wreak havoc and cause destruction to the world, Prophet Isa will pray to Allah for help, and Allah will then send a disease, a worm, called Nagav. The worm will come out of the necks of Yajuj and Majuj as a disease. It will kill them all at once, as if one body has died. Then Prophet Isa and his Muslim followers will be told to come down. Prophet Isa will send a man and say, "Who among you will volunteer and go down to check if Yajuj and Majuj are dead or still alive? But if you go down, it means you're sacrificing yourself. If they're alive, they're going to kill you." So one man will go down and find that they're all dead, and he'll come back and tell Prophet Isa that they're all dead. Then Prophet Isa and his Muslim followers will descend from the mountain where they've been hiding and come back on earth to live and drink on earth once again. This is the end of this part. In the next part, we will discuss about what happens after Yajuj and Majuj's demise. Follow for more stories.